How to fix you have denied access to your device on Ome TV. So if you want to fix you have denied the access to your device on Ome TV, then what you need to do is first you just need simply go with your browser. Now on your browser, you need to just search for Ome TV. And once you're here on the Ome TV website, then if you're not being able to use your camera or anything like that, then what you need to do is make sure that you've accessed your camera and your microphone. Because if you've not given the access, then it may say you have denied access to your device. So you just need to simply go with the top left, which has this icon. So click on it and then make sure that you've allowed your camera and your microphone services. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then the second reason might be like your PC camera is accessed by any other application. Like if you have turned on your camera on your PC, or if you're just streaming or something like that. If the other applications like Snapchat is using your camera, then you won't be able to turn on your camera right here. So make sure that the other applications are not using your camera. And if they are using, you can just simply remove that applications. And the third reason might be your PC camera is disabled in the device manager. What you need to do is just simply remove all of this, and then you need to right click on your Windows and then go with the device manager section. Under device manager, you'll have the camera section right here. So search for the camera, which is right here. And here you just need to simply right click on it, go with the properties, and under properties you need to go with driver and make sure to update the driver and enable the driver. If the driver is not enabled, then you might face some kind of problem. So make sure that it's not disabled. So you just need to simply go and enable it, and after enabling, your problem will be fixed. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.